He walks outside, he's like, oh, shit.
Till 6 in the morning, nothing wrong with going all night long. Tough to put the brakes on, doesn't matter when you drive or get up and go out. Me and all my friends, we drink up, we fall down, then we do it all again. Just sitting around, hanging out this afternoon. Landlord says I should buy a tent, but he can kiss my ass 'cause I paid the rent. So I doubt he'll kick me out this afternoon.